How to install a specific package version in Alpine? I have a Docker file to build a Docker image that is based on Alpine Linux. Now I need to install a package as part of this Docker file. Currently I have. Apparently this is a bad idea, as the result is non-deterministic. Instead, it depends on the point in time at which I build the image, which version of Git is getting installed. What is the correct way of doing this? I guess that I have to tell updated, upgrade and add which versions to use, but how do I do this? I have seen that app supports pinning of repositories, but that is not what I want, at least I think so, because I do not want to pin a repository, but a package. In other words, if Git could be installed via npm, I'd be able to run. Or whatever version I want to have. What is the equivalent to this for Alpine Linux?
You can set sticky versions like this. That will upgrade packages only until the specified version. You can then safely use. To upgrade all packages, while packages with versions will remain with their version. To set a minimum version, just use. In case you can't find a package, while you can see it in the UI for Alpine packages, update your sources/package database. The package repository can be found here. Never pin packages from the Edge branch of the Alpine package repo, as these are in test and may be revoked. At pkgs.alpinelinux.org/packages, click Edge and change it to the Alpine image version you use, and click Search again. Additional info by Calendar. Pinning a package to an exact version carries the risk that the package will be dropped from the repo, and your Docker file will fail to build in the future. The official recommendation can be read here, citation below. Alternately, you could simply set a minimum package version instead of an exact version. We don't at the moment have resources to store all built packages indefinitely in our infra. Thus we currently keep only the latest for each stable branch, and has always been like that. There has been discussion of keep all packages tagged as Alpine in the future. However, this is still in progress. The official recommendation is to keep your own mirror repository with all the specific package and their versions that you may want to use. Timo Terrace, at Fabled, Alpine. The complete Alpine Linux organization's repositories can be found on the self-hosted GitLab instance.
Currently, there is no way to install arbitrary older versions of a package from official repositories in Alpine Linux. The best thing you can achieve is using repositories of the earlier releases.
The syntax for pinning Alpine packages with app is, app@packagename equals x.y.z. To set a minimum version, use, app@packagename, x.y.z. Example. However, the official Alpine package repo can drop any package version from any branch. This means that if you pin your package to an exact version in your Docker file, your Docker file may not work in the future. The official recommendation for pinning exact package versions is to keep your own mirror repository with all the specific package and their versions that you may want to use. Alternately, you could use a minimum package version instead of the exact pinned package version.
Vlad Frolov already gave the answer. I am writing the Docker solution. I was trying to add some package from the v3.8 repository. Browse the old archive this URL and get the specific repository version of your software. After getting the repository version, add the version on your Docker file. Specify exact version of your package from the repository.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.